Model X installation guide. Place the cabinet in a suitable and stable location. Before unpacking, inspect the outer packaging for any damage. Use a forklift to lift the cabinet. With a hex key, Allen wrench, remove the bolts and detach the wooden pallet from the cabinet base. Remove the door key from the top of the cabinet. Attach the antenna to the top surface of the cabinet. Unlock and open the cabinet door. Remove the power cable from inside the cabinet. Detach the red transport fixing brackets on both sides of the lifting mechanism. The cabinet is equipped with leveling casters. Rotate the red adjustment gear to lower the wheels for movement. After positioning the cabinet at its final location, switch from wheels to foot pads to ensure stability. Connect the power cable to the rear power inlet. Turn on the internal circuit breaker inside the cabinet. Close the cabinet door and wait for system startup. Remove the SIM card holder. Insert the IoT SIM card and reinstall the holder. Restart the cabinet after SIM installation. Confirm that the signal indicator shows normal status. If Wi-Fi is stable, select Wi-Fi in the system settings and connect. Alternatively, connect an Ethernet cable to the LAN port at the rear of the cabinet. Note: when Ethernet is connected, Wi-Fi and SIM data connections are disabled automatically. Log into the SmartBee after-sales system using the account provided by SmartBee support. Download the application package to a USB flash drive. Insert the USB drive into the cabinet USB port. Open File Manager on the screen, locate the application file, and install it. Enter the cabinet serial number and authorization code to bind the cabinet. After binding, please contact SmartBee support for system configuration and commissioning. Sub-cabinet installation, if applicable. Remove the door key from the top panel and attach the antenna. Open the cabinet door. Remove the power cable and remove the red transport fixing brackets on both sides of the lifting mechanism. Take out the connection cable between the main cabinet and the sub-cabinet. Connect the aerospace connector according to the wiring diagram. Important: a grounding cable must be installed between adjacent cabinets to ensure electrical safety. After installation is completed, contact SmartBee support for system configuration and final commissioning.